Congratulations to all the team, the backroom staff, and of course the amazing manager. What a fantastic result, top of Group B, onward and upward, off to Paris next. And well done to all the fantastic support of all the Welsh fans that have travelled all this way and been so brilliant throughout this whole tournament so far. Good luck in Paris.
Fantastic night, great performance, fans were unbelievable, team was unbelievable. On we go to Paris, booked the hotel, booked the shuttle, and we're on our way.
What a great night. Unbelievable. I thought Bordeaux was fantastic, but this one tops it. What a great night to be Welsh. Well done, everyone.
Just want to say, honestly, I've just come back from the best moment of my entire life. To the fans are absolutely sensational. I've never ever seen anything like it. The atmosphere, I mean, we've got the best fans in the world, we've got the best players in the world, we're going to go far. Absolutely fantastic, amazing, well done.
Fantastic occasion, great achievement, great effort from the supporters. Coming out again, thought the team were magnificent yet again. We're all on Paris on a weekend. Well done, boys.
Fantastic feeling I've ever had in my life, and for football in Wales, and for the fraternity in Wales, for the players, the staff, and everything that's gone into this tournament. The supporters have been fantastic.
Brilliant result tonight, guys, absolutely fantastic. And the fans must have really carried you over that line tonight. It was amazing. So great performance, and off to Paris now. Really show everyone what you can do. Brilliant, well done.
Pob lwc i chi gyd, pawb wedi wneud yn arbennig.